Does anybody know what this shape is? That's right, it's a circle. This shape has no corners and is perfectly round. Other examples of a circle are a coaster, a paper plate, and a clock. Now, notice that on all of these shapes, they all have perfectly round corners perfectly round sides with no corners. They can be different sizes. This is still a circle. It has no corners. And this is a circle too. Even though it's bigger, but it has no corners. It's perfectly round. These are all circles. The next shape we're going to talk about is the square. The square has 4 straight sides. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. These sides are equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're equal straight sides. Now they have 4 corners too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a corner can also be called a vertex. If you have more than one corner, we call them vertices. So let's count how many vertices that this square has. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices and 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. Other examples of a square are a box. You see the top of this is in the shape of a square. And this is another type of plate that has, let's count the vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now all of these sides are equal in their length. They're 4 straight sides with equal lengths. Now, what happens if 2 of your sides are longer than the other 2 sides? This is called a rectangle. The rectangle has 2 sides that are equal length and 2 other sides that have an equal length. But they're not all equal like the square is. The rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and let's count how many vertices it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. The rectangle has 4 vertices. Now, you can tell that a square has 4 equal sides and a rectangle has 2 equal sides and then 2 other equal sides. Another example of a rectangle would be a card and a basket. Even though the basket's larger than the card and this other piece of paper, it is still a rectangle because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices with 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. Two of the sides are longer than the other 2 sides. Those are rectangles. Now, the last shape we will talk about is a triangle. A triangle has 1, 2, 3 vertices. That is a corner. 1, 2, 3. Now, tri means 3. So there are 3 straight sides. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. Now, this is also a triangle because these sides don't have to be equal, but they do have to have 3 corners. You have to have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 straight lines as sides and 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. An example of a household item that is a triangle is a piece of pie. Now this was in the shape of a circle, but then we ate all the pie down to the last piece. Now let's count how many sides it has. It has 1, 2, 3 sides. And how many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 corners, 3 straight sides. And what's this shape in the middle? This kiwi? That is in the shape of a circle. So let's review our shapes again. This is a circle, a square, a rectangle, and a triangle. The circle has no corners. It is perfectly round. The circle has no vertices. That means it has no corners. The square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. A vertex is another word for corner. Now the rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 2 of the sides are equal in length, and the other 2 sides are equal in length. It is similar to the square, but the sides are not the same length, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. The triangle, which means 3, has 3 sides and 3 corners. So 1, 2, 3. And it has 3 corners, also known as vertices. 1, 2, 3. This is also an example of a triangle. 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 straight sides. So here are the shapes that we have discussed. This is a circle, a square, a rectangle, a triangle, and another triangle.